Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing a review on a boob tape and a nipple cover. So this company called Hi-O reached out to me and they sent me their products, which is the boob tape. They sent me two actually. I already put the tape so it's faster for me to explain to you, and also the nipple cover. So they sent me 2 packs of nipple covers. So anyways, I will show you the nipple covers look like this. They sent me like the cream one, and then in the back where you have to take this sticker out so you can just like put this in the nipple. This nipple cover is actually good if you are, and it's kind of like a smart way because some of people don't like to wear a bra, and you know, they just want to cover the nipples, and this is a good thing to have if you're like, if you don't like wearing bras. Sometimes I don't like wearing bras because it kind of like hurts my back, and I don't know, I just sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's kind of like a 50-50 thing. But anyways, I already put the nipple cover here on my side, and then this in the other side I put the tape. So anyway, you guys, this tape it has this like little like lines. So for example, if you want to measure it first, you can definitely measure it first, and then you can just easily cut them by just following the line. So I kind of like that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the my boobs. So this, hold on, let me just adjust you guys a little bit. All right, so this is the side without the tape, and then this is the side with the tape. So I kind of see the difference. This is the side that I put 3 tapes. It's pushing my boob up, and this is like my normal size of my boobs right here. There's a different ways to use the tape, and if you guys can just go to, if you click the link on my description, then there's like a picture and ways like the before and after. So here you can, what I did is the frontal looks like that right there. So I basically just push up my my boobs a little bit right there, and there's a lot of ways to do this. It says achieve a perkier boob. So there's the push-up. The first is the push-up. You can do a push-up. Second is the toga right there. So if you're gonna do this, you have to call your friend or your boyfriend to help you out, or your husband to help you out, because it's really hard for me to put like tape on the back. And then there's the nips right there. You can cut like cute squares on your nipple, but then if you have the nipple cover, you don't have to do that. And then they have the bandeau. If you're wearing a crop top, you can put that as well. And then there's the seashell. The seashell is right there. And then they have the bikini top and the crop top. Oh wait, the crop, not the crop top. So there's the bikini top, come on focus, the bikini top right there, and then the crop top. So if you go to the Amazon, you can buy this. Hold on, let me just click the link again. It is $29. It's $29.99, and I believe this is with yeah. So for $29.99, if I'm not mistaken, you can have 2 of the nipple cover, no, 2 of the boob tape, and with the nipple covers right there. Okay guys, so this is now the side of each having a boob tape on each side. It's more perkier now that I put like the tape. I only put 1, I didn't put a lot, but that is actually helping it, like lifting my boobs all the way up. I'm gonna try to remove them. That is an easy peel. It doesn't hurt or anything. And I'm gonna try to remove the nipple cover. Hopefully this one doesn't hurt. Same thing, didn't hurt. That's good. And I don't think you can reuse this. I don't think. Let me remove this side. It's not bad. It's not very difficult to remove. Okay guys, so actually they have a 3-inch boob tape and also a 4-inch. So if you want a 3-inch, you can, you know, purchase it on Amazon. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below. So as the 4-inch, I think they're the same price. Yeah, I think they're the same price, but my overall thoughts and honest opinion about this is actually kind of smart if you are a girl, or like if you're like a woman who doesn't like wearing bra, or if you're going out and you have this nice cute dress that has, you know, like a really open back, and you know, you can just easily put like a nipple cover, or like you can easily just put the tape without noticing like, you know, you're wearing a bra or something, and kind of like protect your nipples from showing. It's actually kind of smart, and I will definitely use this with my blazers, and I will probably definitely use it if I'm wearing like a nice dress, because I do have the dress that I got from Target, and it has like an open back, and I was thinking about maybe I'll buy like a transparent clear on the back front of like a bra, but then I already have these, so I think I might just wear the nipple cover instead of, you know, buying a whole like another bra. So I'll definitely try this more and give you guys an update on, probably if I'm doing a vlog, or in the description box, not the description box below, in the comment section down below. But anyway, you guys, like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.